In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using the map view in Trello. If you're looking to visualize your Trello cards on a map, adding a location dimension to your project management toolkit, this guide is just for you. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll start at the top of your Trello board page. As you look towards the top left corner, you'll notice a small caret icon next to your board's title. Go ahead and click on that icon. What this does is open up a menu listing all available views for your board, offering a variety of ways to visually sort and manage your tasks. Among these choices is one labeled Map. Selecting Map from this list will shift your view from the traditional board layout to a geographical map view. This map view is particularly useful for visualizing locations tied to your Trello cards. Perhaps you manage multiple events across different cities or want to track locations for a sales team on the road. Here, you'll see pins marking each place you've noted on your cards. It brings spatial awareness into your project, helping you see where activities are happening at a glance. Now, let's explore how these pins get onto your map. If you switch back to your regular Kanban board view, you can add a location to another card. When you open up a card, you can enter a location in the location field, letting Trello tag that card to a specific place. Once you've added this new location, head back to the map view. You'll notice a fresh pin representing this newly added location. Not only is this feature useful, but also highly interactive. By clicking on any of the pins on the map, you'll have immediate access to all cards associated with that particular location. This provides a quick and intuitive way to manage geographically dispersed tasks, allowing you to open and review cards right from the map. It's as simple as selecting the pin and viewing the cards connected to it. And there you have it. This functionality enhances the Trello experience by integrating geographic awareness into your task management. Whether you're organizing a global conference, managing job sites, or keeping track of where your team is around the world, the map view adds another layer of interaction and visibility to your workflow. So, go ahead and experiment with adding locations to your Trello cards and watch your project come alive on the map. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has made navigating and utilizing Trello's map view more accessible for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Trello.